Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. You can also visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2019 F-150 Lariat in Oxford White with black leather trimmed seats, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine. It's a 4x4. It has an FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, a trailer tow package, as well it has a sport appearance package. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your electronic parking brake is located here, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights. You have a power tilt and telescoping steering wheel, and there's a grab handle in the body, and this just makes it easier to get in. On the face of your steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button. On the dash, any important messages appear. As well, we have a menu that we can toggle through. I'm just going to get in there, my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center you have a little cubby, as well up above the B&O sound system badging, hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time, and as well we have a touch screen so we can go into the different options and our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You've also got voice activated navigation. And when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. And there you go. As well, you have your settings, and we can slide through there for different options, automatic updates, and so forth. Below that is your volume and tuner for your media, and you have dual climate control for both driver and passenger, as well as heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger. Your fans in the center there, AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup. There's a little cubby there. And in the center, a couple of USB outlets. And when you want to close this up, just press in the center. You have an automatic select shifter, and you have drive mode. And when you press this, it'll appear on your dash. So there's normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, and sport. As well, you've got a couple of cup holders, and you're seeing the rings in the bottom there, and that's your ambient lighting. Your armrest opens up. And inside, you've got a nice little bin. You can take that out. Lots of room down below, as well as a 12-volt. Then you can just close that right back up again. There's a 12-volt and a 110 outlet. And as well, you've got a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto-dimming rear view mirror. There's your universal garage door opener, lighting controls, as well as the sunglass holder. And this is the button that powers the sliding window in the rear. And you also have a dual panel moonroof, so we can push that and get some nice fresh air. And off on the body, there's a grab handle, and that just makes it easier for your passenger to get in. 20-inch wheels, running boards, body colored door handle, and that black button is the intelligent access. So when your fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock your doors. You also have keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is located just below the handle. There's also backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and you also have a locking spare tire. And then when you're ready to open up that tailgate, you can do so from inside, or you can double click your fob. It powers it down for you, and inside you have tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And there's also a tailgate step, and that just makes it easier to get in. And then when you're ready, you can close everything up, lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. There's a little tab here you just pull, and you can then release the seat and bring it right up. And then when you're ready to bring it back down, simply pull the clip again and push, and down it'll go. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And on the floor, carpeted mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat. And in the center, you have a couple of cup holders, 12-volt, 110, and USB outlets. There's the buttons to power the heated seats, as well as air vents. In the body, there's a grab handle. Up above, hooks, handles, lighting. And in the back, access to a power sliding window. Colored bumper, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back, windows, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, quad beam headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.